When you hear brake noise, I don't want you to disregard it. The noise is telling you that there's something wrong with the brakes, and if you don't get it taken care of in time, it's going to cost you a lot more money. That's if you're lucky, if you don't crash. Now, on this vehicle, we have somebody who's been driving around with noise on their brakes, and if you take a look here, the brake rotor, the thickness on the outside here, is a lot different than the thickness on the inside. That means something's been dragging on the inside. Normally, the brake pad is here. The brake pad's completely gone, and what's happened is the piston and the caliper has pushed out. It's been dragging on the inside of the rotor, and that wrecked the piston and the caliper as well. So something that could have been a very easy brake job and fix has turned into a large problem that, well, she's not very safe on the road, number one, but it's going to cost her a whole lot more money.